When it comes to gaming, especially for avid Xbox One players, a reliable rechargeable battery pack is essential. Unlike disposable batteries, rechargeable packs save you money in the long run, provide consistent power, and are more environmentally friendly. With numerous options on the market, it can be challenging to pick the right one. To make it easier, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best rechargeable battery packs for Xbox One, sourced from trusted online retailers such as AliExpress. Number 1. Talico Xbox One Rechargeable Battery Pack. The Talico Xbox One Rechargeable Battery Pack is a standout option for gamers who are looking for a durable and efficient charging solution. This pack offers a robust design that fits perfectly with Xbox One controllers, ensuring your gameplay is uninterrupted. Featuring fast charging technology, the Talico battery pack ensures your controller is ready for use within hours. Made with high-quality materials, it promises long-lasting performance. Whether you're playing solo or with friends, this battery pack is designed to handle intense gaming sessions. It's an excellent solution for gamers who prefer a no-fuss, long-lasting power source. This pack includes a USB charging cable and provides an easy solution for Xbox One controllers without requiring constant battery replacements. Key features. Long battery life. The Talico rechargeable battery pack offers up to 10 hours of continuous play on a single charge. Quick charging, fully charges in about 2 hours, allowing you to get back to your game faster. Eco-friendly, reduces the need for disposable batteries, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Compatibility, works perfectly with Xbox One controllers and other similar gaming devices. LED indicator, equipped with an LED light that shows the charging status, making it easier to monitor the power level. Number 2. OIVO Xbox One Rechargeable Battery Pack. The OIVO Xbox One Rechargeable Battery Pack is a highly rated product on AliExpress, known for its efficiency and reliability. With a capacity of 1,400 mAh, this pack provides long-lasting power to your Xbox One controller, making it ideal for marathon gaming sessions. The OIVO pack comes with a charging station that can charge 2 controllers simultaneously, saving you time and ensuring that you're always prepared for your next gaming session. OIVO's charging dock is designed to be sleek and compact, fitting neatly into your gaming setup without taking up too much space. The pack comes with 2 rechargeable battery packs, making it perfect for households with multiple Xbox controllers. Key features. Dual charging dock, includes a dual charging dock that can charge 2 Xbox One controllers at the same time. Fast charge, full charge in approximately 3 hours, so you're always ready to play. Long battery life, up to 15 hours of continuous play per battery pack, offering excellent gaming performance. LED charging indicators. The LED indicators help you monitor charging status for each controller. Simple setup, easy to use with minimal setup required, making it perfect for beginners. Number 3. Bejoy Xbox One Rechargeable Battery Pack. The Bejoy Xbox One Rechargeable Battery Pack offers a reliable and budget-friendly option for Xbox One gamers. This battery pack comes with 2 high-capacity 1,200 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing sufficient power to keep your controller running for hours. The pack also includes a charging cable, so you can quickly power up your controller when needed. The Bejoy pack's compatibility with multiple Xbox One controllers and its ability to charge quickly make it a favorite among gamers. Whether you're playing casual games or more intense titles, this pack will help you stay connected without worrying about running out of battery mid-game. Key features. High-capacity batteries, equipped with 2 1,200 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing long gaming hours. Compatible with multiple controllers, works with all Xbox One controllers, including the Xbox One X and Xbox One S. Fast charging charges fully in just 2 hours, providing convenience for gamers on the go. Convenient charging: the package includes a USB cable for easy charging, so you don't need any extra adapters. Number 4. Turtle Beach Xbox One Rechargeable Battery Pack. Known for its high-quality gaming accessories, Turtle Beach brings a sleek and durable rechargeable battery pack designed for Xbox One controllers. This battery pack offers an efficient power solution that guarantees long-lasting gameplay. Featuring a design that ensures a secure fit for your controller, it is known for its fast charging capabilities and long-lasting battery life. Turtle Beach's rechargeable battery pack comes with a charging dock and LED lights to indicate the charging progress. The robust design ensures it can withstand the wear and tear of daily use while maintaining reliable power for extended gaming sessions. Key features: compact and sleek design. The Turtle Beach rechargeable battery pack has a compact design that doesn't take up unnecessary space. Efficient charging dock includes a charging dock that helps you charge and store your Xbox One controller when not in use. Fast charging: get back into your game faster with quick charging times of around 3 hours. Long battery life: each fully charged battery provides up to 12 hours of gameplay. Premium quality: made by Turtle Beach, a trusted brand in gaming accessories. Number 5. PowerA Xbox One Rechargeable Battery Pack. PowerA is a well-known name in the gaming accessories industry, and their Xbox One rechargeable battery pack is no exception. This pack offers a reliable, easy-to-use solution to keep your Xbox One controller charged for extended gaming sessions. Featuring an advanced charging system, this battery pack ensures minimal downtime while gaming, with a fast recharge time and up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. The PowerA pack comes with a micro USB cable for charging and is compatible with any standard Xbox One controller. It also boasts a durable construction, making it suitable for gamers who need a reliable power source for their controllers. Key features: high playtime, up to 20 hours of continuous gaming on a single charge. Fast recharge time, fully charges in about 4 hours, offering minimal downtime. Universal compatibility: works with all Xbox One controllers and most Xbox One models. Easy charging: includes a micro USB charging cable for easy connection to any USB port. Durability: made with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. Conclusion: a rechargeable battery pack is an essential accessory for any serious Xbox One gamer, ensuring that your controllers are always powered and ready for action. The top 5 best rechargeable battery packs for Xbox One listed above provide excellent options, offering varying features, charging speeds, and playtime to suit different gaming needs.